Here I have GIGASET GS160 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and choose about phone. Afterwards, find and select the build number and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can simply go back and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here you can use all features from the following list. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking, so you can allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Let me use it. Tap enable. You may also enable USB debugging by using that switcher. Let's read it and tap OK to allow USB debugging. And that's it. You may also use all of these developer features. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.